You know all the footballers in Europe. Nobody knows them like you. In fact, you boast of it. There's no one I don't know. Do you know the disciples of Jesus? No. The books of the Bible, they're only 66. You don't know them. Open to 1 Thessalonians. You went to Genesis. See, those books are very rare ones. So. These ones that pastor is quoting, very rare. They are not rare. You spent your Saturday and Sunday watching football. They are not rare. The Bible says to be carnally minded is death. To be carnally minded is death. What is it to be carnally minded? It means to be ordinary, earthly, base, earthly.